Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are demonstrating a new project, and this project is made up of using a Python plus AI. This is a unique project. In this project, we are detecting a fake currency or a real currency, fake and real currencies of Indian notes. So in this project, we are using just Gemini API key. Means in a front end, we are using an Streamlit, and in the back end, we are using Gemini API key, and the complete project and the complete code are written in the Pythons. So before starting the project, before starting this project, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded lots of project in our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. We have we have uploaded different projects in a different programming languages like PHP, Java, Pythons, MLs, and AI basis projects. So you can check, and if you are interested any of this project, you can just connect with us for that project. And if you're a last year student, then this channel might be helpful for you because in the last semester we need a college project, and the college projects in the last semester, the college project are most crucial part of your last semester for your degree and for your job interviews also. So your project might be a good project for your interviews for getting a good job. So you can scroll down and you can find any of this project if you're interested in any of this project, and the complete detail of this project and the complete detail of the today's project you can check from here. Just navigate to this updateger.com. I will provide the link of this website also, so you can just navigate to this website updateger.com, and then check Python plus AI projects, and just select read more, a load more project, and here you will find fake currency detection using an ML. And inside this you will find all the detail of this project. Just scroll down and you will find all the detail of this project, like what are the technology we are using, what are the Gemini models, and why we are using Streamlit. So all the things are written. You can check from here. So now we are now we are just starting our project. As I have already explained, all the things are available on our website, so you can check up from here. uh, so what are the things that we are using in this code? Just explain just to explain that what we are using this code. This is the file where we need to add an API key. So you should have an API key, Gemini API key. If you don't have, you need to create API key. That should be working API key. And inside the main, I can show you my API key because that's a paid API key, so I can show you. This is the main file where all the codes are executing. So what will be the flow of this code? What will be the flow of this code? Like this is the home page. We upload an image. We upload an image, and then image send it to this Gemini API key is Gemini server. And then after sending this image to the Gemini API key or Gemini, Google Gemini, it will analyze that image. The image that image is original or the fake image of that note or the currency of the Indian currency, and according to that it will send a result to this home page. The front end we are using Streamlit, and the back end we are using Google Gemini API key, Google Gemini API. So you can you should have a Google API key. And after that, when you will click on this, when you will select the when you will upload the image in the front end, and it will send it to this backend. But in a backend, it will not only send the image, but it will also send the prompt with that image. So we are using an model. That model is Gemini 1.5 Pro latest. So this model is use the image plus text. So whenever we upload an image in this project, we also send the prompt. So with that prompt, with the help of that prompt, we find the actual note is a fake, or this or that note is fake, or this original note. So this is the code overview. This is a complete prompt that I'm using. So now I'm just running this project, and after running this project it will give me a localhost 8085. So this is the interface of this project. Now just a moment, it's loading. You can change the UI of this project. If you want to change, you can change the UI of this project. It's up to you. Now just uploading the image. We have to upload the note image. So first I will upload the fake images, then after that I will upload the original image. So we just upload the image and generate analysis. Inside the analyzed result, it will show the result, why it is fake, why it is original. According to that it will determine. So now this is the fake note. Reason why it is a fake, it will explain all the detail why it is fake. Note only feature Mahatma Gandhi portrait. Indian currency note are only be feature if the Mahatma Gandhi portrait are there. Now also the serial number is not format appear correctly, so you can check that this serial number is also not correct. And Mahatma Gandhi portrait present and not present and correct. So it's Mahatma Gandhi portrait is not present. So crucial issues, you can check the crucial issues. Security thread is not visible properly. Watermark is not clearly properly visible. Now this is the fake note. Now I'm just uploading another fake note. This one. Now we will check if it is a fake or it is a original note. This should be fake because the serial number is not correct inside this note. So let's AI should check. Now it's also fake. Why? Mahatma Gandhi portrait is present. Serial number is 000. It's not a valid serial number. Security thread not clearly visible. Watermark is also not clearly visible. So this is also a fake. So you can check that the accuracy of this model are, I think, 90% or 95%, because it's almost determine the note it is actually fake or it is actually fake if the Mahatma Gandhi portrait is also present. Now, now I'm uploading a original note. This is the original note, so I'm just uploading inside this original note. And now let's AI decide it is a fake or it is a original one. I just clicked this note recently, so this is the original one. Reason why Mahatma Gandhi is present, serial number is also appear valid, thread is also appear, watermark is also appear. So this is a original note. And you can check the languages are also written in the different languages, like uh, yeah, this is the different languages also written, like 500 notes are how 500 notes are displayed in different languages. But this is the main reason why it is a original and why it is a fake. So this is a fake currency detection using AI. So if you are interested in this project, you can check the descriptions of this video, and you can connect with us if you are interested in this project. So thank you for watching this video.